Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. This is the FMS Olympus. Their kind of F3A model. Nice size. This runs on a 6S 4000, so plenty of power. But you can see from its shape and this kind of F1 wing on top, there's a special name for this and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. Can you remember, Trevor?
No, I can't remember. Finn might know.
I'm going to put it in text up here before I get it wrong, but there's a name for it, and you can see that it has a really large cross section, and that is to aid it in kind of knife edge, and when you're doing rolls to keep them really axial, and you can do it slow. You get equal lift from the side, kind of like you do when it's flying the right way up. I think that's the idea. So this does come with the reflex gyro, so it has those modes to help you if you're a relative beginner, or in optimized mode to take all the bumps out from the turbulence that you might get on the windy day. But it's a beautiful day today, so rare during the British summer, but we've actually got a nice day today. What I am also using, and I'll show you, Trevor, is the new Radiomaster Pocket transmitter. Just got this a few days ago. This is their new compact budget radio. I think this is under $70. It's quite amazing. It's a full range radio. Comes in two versions. This is the ELRS protocol radio. So I'm using one of the ER8, I think, receiver in the model, one of the new ELRS receivers that's come out from Radiomaster. Again, really cost-effective receivers, the same as this transmitter. This also comes pre-installed with EdgeTX as well, this fantastic firmware operating system that we use and we're very familiar with. Lots of YouTube videos about how to configure EdgeTX for your different models. Lots of features with that. But there's the second version of this is the multi-protocol version that comes out of the box on board with kind of supports 4 different chipsets with, like, for example, Trevor, with the Futaba protocol that you use, or the old protocol I used, the Spectrum DSM2 or DSMX protocol, lots of other protocols as well. But if I wanted to do that on this ELRS version, although it's ELRS inside, there is the ability to plug the module in the back so that you can get the features of multi-protocol as well. You can get different shells for this as well. I'll show this in another video, but I've got this nice kind of charcoal semi-transparent look, but there's a red, there's a green, might be a purple, or something. There are several different ones to customize the look. The main difference between this and the larger TX16S that we've been using for quite a long time now is just there are a slightly lower number of buttons and switches. So on this you can see you've got 3 position switches here and here. You've got on-off switches here and here, and then on the back you've got a momentary switch. You have to hold it down to activate it, and you've got a scroll wheel as well. It might be good for setting gain on a gyro or something like that. I think that's it. Now, it's a compact radio, so you can unscrew these sticks, put them in the bag that it comes with, and also fold that down like that. And it's, you know, it's just very compact compared to the TX16, which is quite a bit bigger. The other unusual thing about this, these are the trims, which is quite unusual compared to the normal style of trims that we have. But once you try it, you'll get used to it. So all configured up, ready on the Olympus. Let's go fly. First time, see how it goes. I'm just going to check the gyro is off. I've got that on a 3-position switch. All right, Trevor?
Hang on.
Expert cameraman. Taking it out macro mode, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's the first time I've had rudder way out of trim, but it's all right now. So just give me a moment to trim it out. Always the first thing to do when you fly a new model, make sure that hands off it flies reasonably straight and level. And that's what that is doing now. I'll just do one more pass to trim out. I think I need a bit more up. And now on medium rate as well. Okay, so I think I'm good now. I'm a lot happier. Right, so let's bring it down for the cameraman because he'd appreciate a low shot. Another flat pass.
For that.
How was that, Trev?
That was perfect.
Thank you. Pulling up. Lovely axial roll. I'm actually going to put it on low rates. It really does not need a lot. And that's half power. It's got a lot of power. Full turn. Easy.
That was a good shot.
Effortless. Again, that was about third power, I think. Let's try that the other way. Wow.
Looks like you're enjoying it.
Yeah, it's really, you can tell it's a precision animal, this thing.
Definitely looks like it's behaving itself.
Yeah, straight as an arrow. Pretty impressive. And it's got so much power. It's probably got too much power. Eight-point roll, pretty effortless as well. Bring it back one more time. Stall turn. Straight into a landing. Doesn't get any better than that. For a first flight, that was pretty impressive. I don't think I've got the rudder completely trimmed out. I think I need to get the, make sure I've got exactly the right throws on both ailerons and everything like that, but pretty good. And this, it takes minutes to put together. You take all the components in the box, very well protected in the carton, lay out all the components on the table, and you'll see that there's not a lot to do to put this together. It's all about putting in your receiver and setting it up on your radio. And on an HT-X radio, it really takes you 1 or 2 minutes to set that up. Happy to help out anybody who wants to do that. So thanks for watching this flight test. Thanks to Trevor on camera, as always. And hope you enjoy that. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. See you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.